Hi everyone!
Welcome back to the FSU Libraries YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making something super nostalgic and fun, a garnet and gold bead lizard keychain. Perfect to show off your FSU spirit.
If you grabbed a free kit from FSU Libraries, that means you have everything you need. But don't worry, if you don't have these supplies, we will be listing all of the supplies in the description down below in case you want to follow along from home.
Let's get started! Here's what's in your kit. We have one keychain ring, one piece of craft string about 4 feet long, 2 black beads for the eyes, 29 gold beads for the body, and 19 garnet beads for the lizard design. You'll also want a flat surface to work on and eventually a pair of scissors. A piece of tape is also completely optional but helpful to hold the keyring in place. To start the lizard, we're going to fold your string in half, match up the ends, and slide the loop on the other end of the string through the keyring. Pull the ends through the loop while holding the keyring tight. This secures your string to the ring. Now we will begin our very first row. Take one end of the string and add one gold bead to the string. Take the other end of the string and run it in through that same bead, going in the opposite direction. Now, pull both ends of the string all the way towards the keyring. Now, let's continue to build our lizard's head. Add 2 gold beads to one end of the string, then take your other end of the string and run it through both beads in the opposite direction. Pull both ends evenly until you reach the first bead. To make the eyes, add 1 black bead, 1 gold bead, and 1 more black bead to one end of the string. Then, do the same thing again by running the other end of the string through all 3 beads in the opposite direction and pull it tight. We will continue making the last row of the head with 2 gold beads. Now we will make the legs. To make the front legs, take one end of the string and add 5 beads. Add 2 gold beads, then 3 garnet beads. Push them all the way to the top. Using the same end of the string, run it through the 2 gold beads going towards the center of your lizard. Hold down the 2 gold beads and pull the string all the way through until your garnet beads come together. Now you have your first leg. Repeat the step on the other end of the string, adding 2 gold beads, then 3 garnet beads. Run the string through the 2 gold beads going towards the center of your lizard. Hold down the 2 gold beads and pull the string all the way through until your garnet beads come together. Now you have your second leg. We will now go back to using both ends of the string again to continue making the body. Now, let's make our lizard's back legs on each side. We will be using the same steps as before with 2 gold beads and 3 garnet beads. Remember to run the same end of the string through the 2 gold beads and pull it tight towards the center. After creating the last leg, go back to using both ends of the string to make one row of 2 gold beads to finish up the body. Finally, let's make the tail. We will be alternating between single garnet and gold beads, starting with 1 garnet bead. Use both ends of the string again to pull through each bead, and we will end up using 6 beads total for the length of the tail. Once you have finished securing the final gold bead for the tail, we will finish off your lizard. Take both ends of the string together and tie a super tight knot to lock in those beads. Then, take a pair of scissors and carefully cut off the remaining loose ends of string. And now you have your very own FSU Garnet and Gold bead lizard keychain, ready to clip on your backpack, keys, or anywhere else you'd like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out on our upcoming events, DIYs, and more FSU Libraries fun.
Your support means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you creative content like this.
See you next time, and go Noles!